Today we have our fourth Tech Power session. What we're doing is we have a training going on that we open to the whole district. All educators can attend. And what they get to do is they get to attend this session, and there's three 15-minute small mini sessions. Today we have 10 different technology topics, so they can choose from 10 different topics, and they sit down at a table in a personal manner and get kind of a taste of the technology. These sessions are open up to the whole district. All educators can attend, any educator. We email the whole district, and they've been quite successful. We've got a lot of good feedback. And then what we do is we open up the presenter pool. We have CITs that are presenting in elementary, middle school, and high school. But we also have additional teachers that have requested to present, to showcase what they're doing in their classroom. So it's pretty neat. It's a nice combination. This level of learning and the comfort is it's great because, again, you're sitting at a table. You're able to interact with the presenter in an individual level. But then we also give you a QR code, and it has the 10 different topics, and it has like a white paper on kind of what the topic's about and what else they could do. So even though they didn't get to attend the other tables, they learned a little bit about that topic as well.
I feel very excited and happy to see so much technology being used in our district. I think it shows how we're definitely a tech-savvy district, and we're trying to move forward, like you say, with the most technology possible to connect our students with our teachers and our parents. That's the main goal, for everyone to be connected.
This is the second time I attend one. And the reason why I wanted to come back was because it seems like every time you attend one, there is something new. What we learn in the power sessions, we're able to use it in the classroom, and technology is just the way to go. What I'm walking away with is that it's for my students. It's for the classroom, but it's the benefit of the students. Whether you're a teacher aide, a librarian, a counselor, I believe anyone would benefit from the sessions.